Let's explore the top 8 beverages that have been proven to lower uric acid. 1. Lemon water. Start your day with a glass of lemon water. The citric acid in lemons may have an alkalizing effect on the body, which can help neutralize uric acid. 2. Apple cider vinegar tonic. Apple cider vinegar helps restore and maintain the normal balance of body fluids. It could eventually dissolve or break down any uric acid crystals formed for excretion. 3. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherries contain compounds that may reduce inflammation and lower uric acid levels. 4. Baking soda solution. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Baking soda may help alkalize the body and promote uric acid excretion. 5. Celery seed infusion. Celery seeds have diuretic properties and may enhance kidney function, aiding in the elimination of uric acid. 6. Stinging nettle tea. 7. Wheatgrass juice. Remember, these natural drinks can complement a balanced diet and lifestyle.